I wasn't really able to walk that much. Running was completely out of the picture. If it wasn't for the whole genome sequencing and for Baylor, I wouldn't have lived. Jim Lepsky, he was a huge part of the project, and he was the one that continuously checked in on our family. It's unbelievable to know that we only have to take medication to be able to have a full life. I competed in high school my freshman year. My coach bumped me up to varsity. I am the happiest when I am competing and when I'm running.